Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you one of the hidden features of Windows 10, Slide to Shutdown. Before going to video, click on that red subscribe button and enable the bell icon to get future notifications. Let's get started. Right click on an empty space in desktop. Go to New and select Shortcut. In this column, type like this or copy and paste from the description. Once you've done, click on Next and choose a name for the shortcut. I'm just leaving it as default. Then click on Finish. Now if you double click on that shortcut, you can see a window like this with your lock screen wallpaper. Slide it down to shut down your PC. That's it guys, please like the video and share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.